We've just arrived in Somerswood Caravan Park. Cool, blimey, that was loud. We've just arrived at Somerswood Caravan Park in Solihull, and I'm very tired. My bum aches. I've been sitting in the driver's seat for 3 hours because traffic. Basically, it's Friday evening. It's now like 7:45, and we're just putting our curry on. We're meeting up with everyone from the YouTube collaboration. If you remember that, I haven't actually done a video for probably a year now. So, but you remember we're doing the top 5s and whatever. So yeah, we're meeting up with a load of people, including Bob Earnshaw, Crafty Campervanners, and a few others. Posh Cats Camping.
And Alex.
Oh yeah, TT Alexa. My mind's gone to mush at the moment. And I'm sure you've seen the campsite. It's a beautiful campsite. A class actually, it's very good. We've been here before. So, see you in a bit. See, can't talk properly, I'm too tired. Right, I'm gonna leave Zoe to do the dinner. Just gotta heat up the curry, what we had yesterday, really, the leftovers from yesterday. And can you hear all that laughter? That is, I think that is who we're meeting up today with. So, this weekend. So let's go and have a look. Sorry? Here they are. This is the noise of the campsite. Say hello, everybody.
Hello. Hello.
Right, curry time. So there's 8 YouTube channels here, and I thought I'd let them introduce themselves.
Hello everyone, well we are Alex and Nikki and our channel name is TTXELA. There's no real way of saying it. We have videos on motorhomes and also on motorcycles.
Well hello, we're Posh Cats Camping.
I'm Sue.
And I'm Trev.
We are Julie and Tony of the Gallivanting Galantes.
And we do the odd flying video.
Yeah.
I'm Glenn from the Betwick.
And we do caravanning, walking and days out.
Hi, with Bob and Jenny, in case
Yes.
you didn't know. Yeah.
And the channel's called Bob Earnshaw, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah,
It is.
because that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because it's not called Jenny Earnshaw.
that's right.
No.
Or Poppy.
Hi, we're Mark and Hazel's Motorhome Adventures. Obviously I'm Mark, this is Hazel.
We're Ian and Antonia's Escapades. Clearly that's Antonia. Clearly I'm Ian.
Hi, I'm Pete.
I'm Kaz, and together we are the Crafty Campervanners.
Right, we're on our walk this morning. The rain has actually stopped, as you can see. Everyone seems to have their phones and the cameras out because we're all YouTubers. The weather is a bit on and off, but I'll tell you one thing, it's not warm. It's a bit chilly for being, you know, we're in like summer now, feels like winter, and this road is very busy. Our walk has brought us to Meriden, which is really, what, 3/4 of a mile just up the road from the campsite. You've seen these. Yeah, normally see them on post boxes, right? But this one is actually on a litter bin. And something else I found a bit weird. Monument here, all very good. Monument, you know, monuments are always very good. If you see what I mean. But this one is in remembrance of cyclists in World War II. I've never seen that before. Must have had like a community or something, or cyclists come from here. Cyclists who died in the Great War, serving their country. Very interesting. I wonder what the connection there is. We have behind the scenes footage of YouTubers filming a pond.
That's a little one.
More, thank you very much. More YouTubers taking video of the pond. I can see it now. 8 YouTube channels get knocked down by passing car on a walk. Is that it again? More YouTubers taking video of fields, and another one. Yeah, that's what they're filming. I'm taking the mick out of them, but I'm doing the same thing. Oh no, we've had the party split up. The group's been split. We're on a river of sheep here, and the other side, that's the other group over there. Oh my goodness, how are we gonna get across this river of sheep? Look at them all. There's loads of them. They're getting anxious now that they're not with their group. And in the background we've got another YouTuber. Well, we're back at the campsite and we didn't lose anybody on that walk, but we have another opportunity to lose people in our cycling, which is going to start in a few minutes. I found a route on Cycling Solihull, which I managed to put into my phone, and we're going to be following that. We are almost ready to depart on our epic adventure around Solihull. There they come. Ran along on me bicycle. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. More YouTuber filming, look. Right, it's gone 6 o'clock in the evening and we're all sitting around this lovely motorhome here having a Kadak party. We've got ours just here. We've got Alex's just there. Bob's is just there. He's had his salmon on there. And way at the back there, you can't see it, is Crafty Campervanners. Right, we have been playing pass the parcel with the licorice, handing it round, just sharing out I haven't had any. Too much for me. But now what's coming round is the chocolate.
There you go.
It's quite light actually. It's only gone halfway round. Look at that, there you go. There's not much left. Greedy buggers. Have you eaten all the sugar? Have you eaten all the chocolate? Well, Posh Cats Camping are the first to leave and we're just saying goodbye to them. They're on their way to Scotland on a huge tour of the Outer Hebrides. It's like royalty. And here's Kadak Joe and Sheila off. They're following them, they're going with them. Felt like I was one of those commentators on the royal wedding or something.